Okay, quick question for you, Alex. Have you ever, listened to yourself speak English on a recording and just cringed? Oh my God, yes, literally every single time. It sounds, I don't know, fake? Exactly. Like a robot reading a textbook, right? Yeah, hello, how are you today? I am fine. It's terrible. Right, and that is exactly the problem we're fixing today on Mr. English Builder. Welcome to day 4 of the 30-day English shadowing challenge.
Day 4, let's go. But wait, Sam, I gotta ask.
Yeah?
We've been doing this shadowing thing for 3 days now, and my jaw literally hurts. Is that normal?
Yes, it means it's working.
Really? Because my roommates think I've lost my mind. I'm just walking around the kitchen muttering to myself.
Okay, think about it like this. Have you ever tried to write with your left hand, assuming you're right-handed?
Oh yeah, it looks like a chicken walked through wet paint across the paper.
Perfect, exactly. Your brain knows exactly what the letters should look like, right?
Right.
But your hand muscles are they're completely clueless. They don't have the muscle memory.
Oh, wait, so you're saying...
Yep. Speaking English is exactly the same thing. It's a physical workout.
Okay, that actually makes so much sense. Because in my head, my English is perfect.
Right. We all sound like Hollywood actors in our heads.
Literally, I'm like Brad Pitt in my brain. But then I open my mouth and it's just, it all falls apart.
Exactly. And that's the core problem. People spend years, literally years, studying grammar rules in a book, but they never actually train their mouth muscles to make those new sounds.
So shadowing is basically just going to the gym for your face?
Face gym, yes. Wait, I'm going to write that down. That's brilliant. Face gym.
I want royalties if you put that on a t-shirt.
Deal. But seriously, that's why day 4 is so crucial. By now, the initial weirdness is fading, and we need to start focusing on the music of the language.
The music? Okay, you lost me. We're singing now? I didn't sign up for American Idol, Sam.
No singing. I mean the intonation, the rhythm.
Oh, like how it flows together.
Exactly. Because English isn't flat. It's not... Wait, let me give you an example.
Okay, hit me.
If I say, I didn't say you stole my money. Now listen to how the meaning changes if I just stress one word. I didn't say you stole my money.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that means someone else stole it.
Right. Now what if I say, I didn't say you stole my money?
Whoa, then they stole someone else's money.
Exactly. The words are exactly the same. The grammar is exactly the same.
But the meaning is completely different just because of how you pushed that one word.
You nailed it. And you can't learn that from a textbook, Alex.
Geez, yeah, a textbook just looks flat, black and white on the page.
Right. You have to hear it, and more importantly, you have to physically reproduce that bounce, that rhythm.
The bounce, I like that. So shadowing is literally just, I hear the bounce, and a split second later, I bounce my voice the same way.
Exactly. Like an echo. A really fast, slightly annoying echo.
Hence my roommates thinking I'm crazy.
Look, if people don't look at you weird, you aren't doing it right.
Okay, but Sam, what if I'm too slow? Like the speaker goes fast and I'm still trying to say the first word.
That is the most common struggle, especially around day 4. People try to be perfect.
Yeah, because we want to say every single letter clearly.
Don't throw perfection out the window, seriously.
Wait, really? Just mumble it?
If you have to. It's better to catch the rhythm and the emotion, even if you miss a few consonants, than to pause the audio and perfectly pronounce one word.
So wait, so keep the flow going no matter what? Even if I sound like I have marbles in my mouth?
Yes, keep the flow. Think of it like surfing. If you miss a wave, you don't just stop swimming, you keep paddling for the next one.
Dude, that's a great analogy. I always stop the audio and rewind, and it gets so frustrating.
Stop rewinding. Just ride the wave. If you miss a word, drop it and catch the next one.
Okay, that actually takes a lot of pressure off. I was stressing out so much about being perfect.
The stress is what kills your fluency. Shadowing bypasses the stress because you aren't creating the sentences.
Right, I'm just copying them. My brain doesn't have to work as hard on the grammar.
Exactly. You're giving your grammar brain a break. It's like a autopilot for your mouth.
Autopilot. I like that. So I can just zone out?
Well, no, don't zone out. You still need to listen.
You have to focus on the melody.
The melody? Wait, we're singing now? I thought this was English practice.
I mean the intonation, the ups and downs. English is a very, bouncy language.
Bouncy. Right, like a kangaroo.
Yes, honestly, yes. Some words are stressed, they jump up, and others get completely swallowed whole.
Okay, give me an example. Show me the bouncy kangaroo English.
All right, think of the sentence, I want to go to the store.
I want to go to the store. I mean, sounds pretty flat when I say it.
Exactly, because you're reading it like a robot. But in real life, we say, I want to go to the store.
Oh, wow. Wanna go to. It all just mashes together.
Right. The important words are go and store. The rest is just glue.
The glue words. Wait, so when I'm shadowing, I shouldn't try to pronounce every single word perfectly?
Exactly. You just hit the stressed words. Boom, boom. And you glide over the rest.
Oh, now I get it. So if I miss the to the part, it doesn't even matter.
It literally doesn't matter. Native speakers miss it too. We just mumble it.
The marble mouth strategy from earlier, it's actually how native speakers talk.
Yes, you're finally getting it, Alex. The marble mouth is a feature, not a bug.
That is wild. I feel like my old English teachers lied to me. They made me say, I want to go.
Because teachers teach the rules, but shadowing teaches you the reality.
Okay, so Sam, how do we actually practice this today? What's the mission for day 4?
Okay, here is your practice step. I want you to find a 1-minute video clip, just 1 minute.
1 minute, got it. YouTube, TikTok, doesn't matter?
Doesn't matter, but pick someone who speaks fast, someone with a lot of energy.
Oh, so not a boring news reporter.
Right, maybe a vlogger or a comedian. Listen to the clip 3 times without speaking.
Just listening, trying to hear the melody, the kangaroo bounces.
Exactly. And then on the 4th time, try to talk with them at the exact same time.
At the exact same time, not pausing it.
No pausing. Remember the surfing rule. Just paddle, even if you sound crazy.
I'm definitely gonna sound crazy. My family's gonna think I'm losing my mind.
Warn them first, or just close your door. But I promise your mouth will get used to it.
It's like muscle memory, right? Like going to the gym for your tongue?
That's a perfect way to look at it. You are literally training the physical muscles in your mouth to move differently.
Because English uses like different mouth muscles than my native language.
100%. If your mouth doesn't hurt a little bit after shadowing, you aren't doing it right.
Oh, geez. No pain, no gain for the tongue.
Exactly. So what about everyone listening? Here's our challenge for you today.
Yeah, let's hear the challenge.
Go find your 1-minute clip, shadow it, and then, this is the scary part,
Uh-oh. I don't like scary parts.
record yourself on your phone doing it.
Oh man, listening to your own voice is the worst.
It is painful, but it is the fastest way to see where you are making mistakes.
True, the microphone doesn't lie, even if I want it to.
So record yourself, listen back, and compare it to the original video. See if you match to the energy.
And the bouncy kangaroo rhythm. Don't forget the bounce.
Never forget the bounce, Alex.
So what if they do this and still feel stuck?
Well, that's why they need to come back tomorrow for day 5, obviously.
Ah, smooth transition, Sam. Very smooth.
I try. Seriously, though, shadowing takes time. Just trust the process.
Okay, guys, you heard the expert. Find a video, catch the wave, and record yourself.
And hey, if you found this helpful, let us know in the comments. What video did you choose to shadow?
Yeah, drop your video choices below. I need some good recommendations too.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Mr. English Builder so you don't miss day 5.
Mr. English Builder is bringing the heat. Subscribe, like, and share it with a friend who needs a tongue workout.
A tongue workout. I love it. Keep shadowing, keep paddling, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Peace out, guys. Good luck with the marble mouth.